Chip seal is probably the best bang for the buck that we can give our customers. We got 2 specialized crews in Region 4 that do the chip sealing, but we rely on the crews themselves to help us haul the chips to the chip box, set up signing, take care of the brooming and the rollers and stuff. So whenever we're working in certain areas, we utilize all those maintenance forces.
And the guys come in with the distributor trucks and they lay a multiplied asphalt. And then you have the chipper here, which falls behind that, that's hooked to a truck. And they lay down chips, just following down the road. It takes a lot of effort to make this thing go and be successful. And these guys are all good. They take pride in what they do. I mean, it'd be great if we could redo a whole new road every 10 years or whatever. That's not reality. By putting a surface like this on it, it prolongs the road, builds a better structure.
Pavement management, you know, for what it costs to do a surface area and chip seal, probably gives us the most longevity. Make a road surface better and safer for the traveling public. It's a good feeling.